Hello again, and welcome to another Hotkey Trainer School Tips and Tricks presentation. Today we will feature drill performance and measuring execution speed and accuracy. How you set your drills up will determine the usefulness of the data collected. Building useful data metrics begins with setting up your drills in such a way that you can compare different drill parameters. After you have explored and used the trainers for a while, you will want to settle down and set up drills that you can consistently train with. Let's start in the Hotkey trainer and look at the drill mode selector, by time and by count. In the by count mode, the drill data collected will give you the elapsed time to complete the number of prompts. If you prefer to use the by time mode, the data collected will give the total number of prompts in the allotted time. Either way, this gives you a way to monitor speed improvements over time with a set drill duration. If your accuracy is falling off, it's an indication you should throttle back on prompt speed. There is an important drill design consideration to be aware of when using the trainers, and it is based on the premise that speed is not the first priority of the Hotkey trainer. Its drill design is such that the drill attempts to run in a smooth rhythm. While your quick executions before the timer runs out will decrease your overall drill time, the drill will attempt to maintain the selected prompt speed. If you are consistently executing before the timer bar runs out, it's time to select a faster prompt speed. Selecting a prompt speed just slightly longer than your execution speeds will result in smooth running drills. The timer will keep the desired pressure on you to execute the prompt, but setting the prompt speed too far from your actual execution speed will result in a poor running drill experience. Even though this drill feature is primarily designed to provide a learning experience, the speed metrics can still apply in a meaningful way.
When you are ready to test your raw speed, jump into the speed drill. You will notice that there is no prompt speed selector. Your speed determines the prompt speed. The speed drill is the only trainer that provides this function. The moment you execute a prompt, the next one is ready. This feature can really test your speed. However, you are prevented from advancing to the next prompt until the correct command is executed. This is to prevent you from achieving inflated race times while losing all accuracy. After all, what value is speed without accuracy? Conversely, the keyboard trainer, stoplight drill, and light speed drill will function similar to the hotkey trainer in how the drills are paced using a prompt speed selector. The two drill modes of by time and by count will be useful in combination with a realistic training prompt speed selection. Now let's take the data that was captured in the hotkey trainer drills and look at how it is rendered in the history page. On the history page, show the drills in a session card and then open the drill and you will see the elapsed time for drills run in the by count mode. In drills run in the by time mode, you will see the total prompts displayed instead. Now slip over to the drill performance page and at the top, be sure and toggle for by time mode or by count mode. Then select the appropriate preset, which will then reveal the sessions associated with the preset. Select all sessions or by a specific session and view the individual drills in the graph chart. On hovering over the drills, not only will you see the accuracy ratings, but you will see the total prompts in the by time mode drills and the elapsed time in the by count mode as you saw in the history page. The drill performance page gives you a visual way to monitor your speed and accuracy.
You will find the same familiar history and drill performance pages in the keyboard trainer as are in the hotkey trainer. However, the stoplight drill and the light speed drill feature a different history page layout while retaining the same familiar drill performance page layout. Although the speed drill uses a similar history and a drill performance page setup, they are tailored specifically to the speed drill's design for speed runs. As you can see on the history page, the speed drill provides speed tests for both the hotkey and the keyboard trainers. In addition, you can select any combination of two or more drills using the left side checkbox, and then add those drills to the comparison page using the Compare Selected button in the page header. The drill performance page will provide the same familiar graph layout. Just remember to toggle for hotkey or keyboard. Hopefully this presentation has given you some ideas on how you can structure your training and monitor your progress. Taking some time to explore different hotkey layouts and analyzing your performance might just open up some more efficient hotkey positions that better align with your specific physical capabilities as well as your mind's processing strengths. Consistently training over time will create a smooth fluidity in your executions. Logic and I will continue to bring you more featured tips and tricks. See you soon!